Woke up to a dead battery today. I got this cool little thing that I bought, and I'll show you. And I've just been having it sitting. It was meant for the truck. This one's actually my car, but I wanted to put this out there. It's got a full charge. We're going to try it to start up the battery and see what happens. First time using it. All right, gonna give this a shot here. See how it works. Might be a little bit of corrosion. We'll see here in a minute. Might just be a corroded battery. All right. As soon as I hooked it up, it is taking the juice. So let's see what happens. You want to try and start it? Yeah. Here we go. Okay, go ahead. Try it. All right. Man, that kicked right on, didn't it? We'll take this off, see if it keeps running. This thing is cool. It's got a flashlight. Still got a full charge. Somebody told me to get this thing, and I did, and it's been sitting. That is awesome. There it is, the Noco Ultra Safe Jump Starter, 12 volt, 1000 amp, the GB40. This thing is cool. Came with a few connectors and really like it.